Welcome to Shop This Set with Lost Artistry Lash. I designed Shop This Set because I, many times, have struggled to find lash maps that were compelling enough for me to try. And even when I did find a lash map that looked pretty good, I did not know how to shop the appropriate products for that set. Nor did I have any idea how it would look on a real human. I thought it'd be a really fun idea to create mapping bundles. So with these bundles, you'll get not only the particular map, but you'll get the products as well as a photo of what that lash map looks like on a real human. And the really exciting thing is that you're only paying for your lash supplies as you normally would shop lashes. So you're getting the mapping and all of the juicy details for free. The first thing you'll want to do is just shop our lash sets. So check out the sets that I've personally done and see which one you would like to recreate, or maybe all of them. And then from there, click on the map that you like. You'll go ahead and purchase that bundle. Once you purchase your mapping bundle, you'll then receive an email from us here at Lost Artistry. And within that email, you'll receive all the mapping details as well as descriptive notes, which will be helpful when creating this particular style. And then we've also added video tutorials wherever necessary. So for example, with our wet lash look, we have tutorials on YouTube and on Instagram, and some are just completely exclusive to Shop This Set. But within these videos, you'll find super helpful tips and tricks on how to create each individual mapping. I had so much fun creating all these Shop This Sets, and I cannot wait to see the work that you create with our maps as well.